It's with all of us. I think, it's important that government legislates and regulates in a way that's sensible. So it encourages good behaviour, if that makes sense, and discourages bad behaviour. And I think that's now becoming, the things I talked about just now regarding, the new legislation that's coming into place. They're starting to put those frameworks in place. But obviously it's down to us as individuals, homeowners, business owners, people running educational and public institutions to do our bit. So, it's like, say, recycling, for example. Recycling's been around for a long time. It doesn't necessarily mean everybody does it. So everybody needs to do their bit and play their part, which means really we need to understand what we're trying to achieve here and what our place could be, what we can do, what can we recycle, how can we find ways of getting green electricity, how can we make certain that we're using greener transport by buying an electric vehicle, or maybe not having a vehicle at all and cycling to work, or using a driverless electric Uber, or wherever we go.